आणि आम्ही 14 घरां म्हणटाय ती शोकॉज नोटिसीस धाडोनाय. They are yet to go. Inspections had gone. There was only one house in the name of Agnello Rodriguez where a show cause notices come. The total misguidance is done. आमची misguidance पण दाखवला. Total Hokot village panchayat nuve is running on good note. हांवें पोतून सांगता सरपंच जायन 5 जालो फुडें देखून हांवें म्हणलो आहा म्हाका लोकां गेली आमगे पंचायतीक लोकांन घर काडो जायन लीगली and whatever is possible I'm thank Dila because I want standard of living to be increased of everybody. We want it. Total misrepresentation that show cause notices have gone, demolition notices have gone. I am on record only one party, that is Agnello Rodriguez. I didn't want to take name because in Gram Sabha we can't take personal names. You understand, no? So what I did was I kept on saying show cause notice is just a procedure. Video showing माक सारकी इंडिकेट सारकी इन्स्टिगेट कोताय कोर म्हण कोरेन दाखय म्हण कित कोरेन दाखय कोरेन दाखयलो जाल्यार को डिमोलिशन आनी कित कोले जाल्यार 4 पाट निवडून येता आसलोली 5 मेंबर म्हणून कोणा इंटिमेट कोताय पंचायती इंटिमेट कोताय टू डू डिमोलिशन्स when we have protected this panchayat the people from 2022 to 25 it was an intimating video. If you want to alert the Goans, you have to alert the Goans only on the basis of knowing both the sides. This is my contention. This is the contention of village panchayat nuve. Itsa challo mukode Pauzilip Doradan. Ex sarpanch to ten muko itsa challo muge bor relation ha Pauzilip Doradan kode. One call by he says that he had gone to the panchayat. He had not gone to the panchayat. His application clearly shows the matter to be discussed for Gram Sabha. Gram Sabha is not, you are not attending the panchayat, you are not asking me. One phone call away, Pauzilip Dorat was from me. One phone call. Itsa chalo Pauzilipan mukode. Tu sarpanch allo show cause notice dalai kit dalai freedom muko itsa. I respect every member who has served this panchayat. I respect him. And because of that respect, I think I am also doing good service to the people of my village. There was fear and anxiety among the people of Nuve. Look inside the sarpanch tu gaur mota tu am kitu enkot mono. I had people coming to my doorsteps and crying why enkit kelve mona. Not that all. That story is not over there. Those people come. All 14 of them were not in the video which you all have seen near the forest department. Out of that, people come to me. They meet me personally and they tell me. I am on record and I can prove that they have come to me and they have told me sarpanch tuje उलोवपाक म्हणा तू सांगोको ना म्हण तुवें आमची तू तेम सांबाळ्ळा तुवें आमच्या बराबर आसलोली पंचायत आसलोली सरपंच तुवें म्हणून ना तें कितको म्हूण गेलें तें आपणाक खबर ना.
ही मॅटर 2022 पासून चलता तेमी कंप्लेनाची इलिगल हाऊसिंग आमच्यान जायत हेल्प करपाक ट्राय केल्ले पंचायती आपली ऑफिस हियरिंग केली दोन्ही पार्टी एग्री जायना थोडी मागीर एग्री जाताय थोडे एकोणिसान 20 दिसांनी परत चेंज जाताय. आतां ती कंप्लेन हायकोर्टाक गेलो हायकोर्टाक गेलो म्हणून ते प्रमाणे आमगे एकल्या शोकस नोटीस धाडला आनी पण ग्रामसभा इश्यू जालो सगळें तें जालो तें जालें पूण ते मातशें कांय जालें ना आनी सरपंच आनी हांव वॉर्ड मेंबर सदांच एक हेल्प करतली सोद घर आपल्याक करपाक दिवपा न्हय आनी सोल आमी मेंबर सगळे लोकां वटलें